Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video. Today I'm going to go meet someone. He's doing a documentary about jungle that's going to end up in a museum. First stop, I've got to go to Deluxe's Deja Vu studio. We're going to meet up and we're going to do some talks about Amiga and blah blah blah. And then after that we're going to the classic Dungeons. Dungeons, for those of you who don't know, was a music venue that I used to play at years ago, many moons ago, with all the crew. When I first started out, I spent years going down the Dungeons, literally every week, spinning tunes, man, and that's where I kind of got the vibe to make a tune. Played my first dub plate down there, and yeah, we had some good sound system times back then, man. So guys, it's early, man. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Got to go and meet this guy called Lewis and his film crew, and yeah, it's I need to get a coffee, man. Proper had a rough night's sleep last night, so don't want to get brain freeze while I'm talking to him. Rocking the new Merc, as you see here, look, the camo. I've also got the Zuddy with an embroidered crest on it, and also Brain t-shirt underneath. So guys, I'm all kitted up, brained up, ready to go, and I'm going to go and do some shoots. So guys, I'm at McDonald's. Those guys are running late. Lewis had some issues with the editor guy had some issues with his hire car. He's got a nice big set 8-seater now, and he's gone to pick up T because T's running late as well. So far the time is 9:08. We're supposed to meet at 8:30 this morning, so I've just gone to McDonald's, grabbed myself one of these coffees. I'm not really a big fan of McDonald's, you know what I mean? I know you guys see me eating that shit in my live streams and all that, but to be fair, like, you know what I mean, it's not really good food for you. I've seen that Super Size Me movie, and they reckon it's not for everyday consumption. And to be honest, I ate a McDonald's breakfast, right, literally every day for a week, and I felt like crap, man. I felt bad. My stomach felt all gooky. I know gooky, what does gooky mean? You know, just uncomfortable, man. It just weren't right. And it's just one of them things, man, where the McDonald's coffee, I swear down, it has something in it. I swear it's got something in it, right? But I'm not 100% sure. But I'm telling you, when you drink these coffees, it does wake you up. And I've had a really rough night. I've got interviews to do today, and I need to get the brain flying, man. So I'm gonna just have a coffee. I've got 4 coffees there, one for Lewis, one for his brethren, one for TDK. Don't know, I got him one. Hopefully he'll be all right with that. Put loads of sugars. I know there's some sweet tooth mans out there. I know I don't have sugar in my coffee or my tea, to be honest. And I'm heading back to my workplace now to go and meet those guys. And hopefully they'll be there soon. So big up. We're at Deluxe's studio and we're having a little smash up. Steve's got his Amiga. I've got the sounds. I need to load the sounds in there. What do you think we're going to do is we're going to void that room off, and we're just going to set up in here, and then get you guys talking about the Amiga a little bit. Do you remember, what's that thing that you see on the internet? Have you ever seen it, like Against the Clock? And where the producer's got like 5 minutes to build a tune. Struggle on the Amiga doing that, wouldn't you? Like now you would. Back in the day, like, it would, you know what, it's like, I can't remember 100% everything on the Amiga. Like literally, the first time I got on the Amiga after a long time, this was the first time I loaded up a song, I could barely play the song. And I was looking
That's where I am now.
And I was looking at Octamed, and I was thinking, How the hell did we used to use this?
That's exactly what you know what I can't remember. I was going to ask you. I hope you remember. You know when it does this, like these white lines. Do you remember how to get rid of them?
Oh man. I don't.
My eyes.
Did we used to have? No, I think that's in the preferences. That's probably in the preferences where you
It's not on all the blocks.
Isn't there like? What's in that MISC folder? What's that MISC up there? Yeah, look, RGB. What's all that?
I don't know whether we put those tabs in.
When you turn that RGB up and down and all that, look, all this palaver. Look, what's that? That.
Ding, can you open the gate? Might easier.
Ferguson. Yeah, about Ferguson. What's about with the Ferguson, man?
I then moved on to Cubase. Cubase to Logic.
Right. Okay, good.
But you know what? Some of the samples aren't playing in the right time.
Oh, that's because of the tempo, isn't it? Isn't that the tempo? Maybe it didn't load properly. Play the block. Yeah, that's the speed, look.
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, yeah. But, I don't know, yeah. I suppose now, like...
You see the man there, Busy Bee?
Yes, mate,
Yeah.
how's it going?
Yeah, we're discussing all things Commodore Amiga.
Go through the desk, you know.
And you know what the worst thing is about this? There was no undo. If you made a mistake, you'd have to make sure you'd saved it in advance.
But it never crashed,
I
though,
can't
did
remember
it?
how to get rid of that, the white line.
Never ever crashed.
Yeah, but
That bit, nah.
so did it?
Oh,
You never crashed the disc that died. The disc used to die, innit?
Yeah.
Like 90% of my discs still work. I've only had a few.
Who knows where my discs are? They're just in a...
Yeah, I've got my Amiga disc.
Yeah, I've been loading them up.
I think I must be the only one out of everyone who hasn't got them discs.
I've got them in a separate box.
Yeah, I put them all in the box.
I've been waiting for this idiot to give me his disc, man. I'm gonna bring the disc. I'm gonna bring the samples. I'm gonna bring the samples. Waffle. Breakfast.
It's gone all mad. It's gone all mad.
is that a bit out of time still?
Yeah. But that's real-time EP.
What's that? Two things playing at once or something?
What's that output thing to do? Like, is that just coming out of the...
Straight
Oh, right, okay.
phono.
Phonos into the speaker. That's how it was, man.
Yeah, that's how it was, man. It's got its own out.
That was
You didn't just record the out.
Because when you think about it now,
Yeah.
you've got
Right.
You know why that was
It
good?
was like 2 channels. But I never knew that it put some of the sounds on one side and some of the... Like, I didn't know that until I switched it back on. The bass is on one channel and the top. Never knew that. We had to make them
Because you're monitoring
stereo.
the mono, right?
Yeah. I didn't realise because when I exported it out and put it on the tape, I was like, was the bass sounding like it's over there?
Yeah.
Is that how we was doing it?
Yeah, and then we used to have that sound enhancer thing where you
Sound in the middle.
you put it on to make it sound
Did
better.
we really do that?
And but you know what? Yeah, that's actually in a way that's a trade secret because everything that was
Switched it into the middle.
yeah, and because what it was is you used to feed the left channel into one and the right channel into 2 separate screens. So we used to
They
put
used to switch it into the middle, didn't they?
all the bass line on, all the bass and heavy stuff on the left.
Yes.
All the high end and the tops and mid stuff used to go on the right. That's how we used to get a little bit of separation.
Right.
And then obviously 2 Amigas would give us 4 channels
Yeah.
and more sample time as well. You remember?
I remember with the 2 Amigas, I had all the bass stuff on one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of madness was we doing in that studio?
I just remember when we used to go ready to record, and then we press record, we were like that. Play.
Yeah. That was it, and it had to hit them both at the same time.
Yeah.
Because they weren't synced up.
Yeah.
And then my monitors always used to be up here.
And my voice.
Seems like from what a few, like for what you were saying in the car as well, was that like there's at the time it seemed like there was an amazingly short, like easy pathway between making a tune and like it getting played by someone like Groove Rider, say. Like just.
I wouldn't say it was easy.
No, it wasn't.
I wouldn't say it was
No,
easy.
okay.
It wasn't easy because
No, not I wouldn't say for us.
Yeah.
It wasn't big.
I'm a everyday junglist.